We are at the river, the Mississippi River to be exact, in Cape Girardeau, Missouri today to check out an Army Corps of Engineers vessel that is here and open for tours. This is the downtown river wall that gets painted with murals on it, and it's kind of a cool thing to come down here if you're ever passing through this part of the country. So let's go check out this ship. See this barge on the map at the helm inside the pilot house. Not exactly sure how that works, but it's pretty impressive equipment. Girardeau, Mississippi River wall for the city, and here's your 3 engines, total of a little over 6,000 horsepower. Very clean ship. On top of the ship, Cape Girardeau in the background. Pretty good view from here. Example of crew quarters on board. And here's one of their restrooms. So these 2 bunks share, I would say, pretty good sized restroom for a ship.
We can hear the train in the background. So we have their little workout room. So this conference room is still set up as a conference room and not a workout room. That's some really cool old maps. Or maps.